Filipinos are stepping up literally as the 10,000 steps a day craze gains ground. But over the weekend, joggers and bikers drew criticism for doing their rounds at the UP Oval just as thousands of students took the UPCAT. Kian Querol reports.
Every week for 2 days, Sara Caringal's morning grind starts from Rizal Province all the way to the UP Oval in Diliman to perform her routine exercise. She says the ambience motivate her to work out.
Kami na nakakapag-exercise, yung other things na pwede namin gawin dito, nagiging efficient kami. And anong tawag dito, parang malaking bagay siya sa amin dahil there's no need for us to pay.
As a fun run goer, there's more to it than what meets the eye for Sara. It is also for the good of her health.
Pero sa kabuuan, syempre for my own good, sa health ko, na yun, para malakas pa din. Di ba kasi yung exercise? So yung nakaupo ka lang.
Ever since, there were already people using the UP Oval as a place for exercise like Sara. But the issue arose when it coincided with UP's college admission test or UPCAT last weekend. Several discussions were held online on how to provide solutions. Some UP students said to be mindful, especially during UPCAT.
Well, it's open naman for all people outside students for it to be a an area to work out. Tingin ko kailangan may limit pa rin talaga.
Kulang din kasi tayo ng facilities na pwedeng maglakad. And yung UP kasi maganda kasi maraming puno, ganun. So hindi siya masyadong mainit. So parang maganda nga rin na mag-focus ng mga areas para mas ma-encourage yung mga Pilipino na mag-exercise.
PBBM mentioned in his fourth SONA that cities should open parks and plazas, encouraging the public to exercise outside more.
Magpatupad tayo ng mga car-free Sunday tulad ng ginagawa sa ilang lungsod na dito sa Metro Manila, sa Baguio, sa Cebu, pati sa Iloilo at Davao. Bilang pagsuporta rito, simula ngayon, bubuksan ng Philippine Sports Commission sa publiko ang kanilang mga track and field oval sa Pasig, Maynila at Baguio upang makapag-jogging na kayo ng libre.
On social media, netizens say there is a glaring lack of safe public spaces where people can work out. A concern echoed by Olive Christian and Veronica.
Para sa everyday lives natin, lalo dito sa Manila, di ba, super congested ng traffic and parang surrounded talaga tayo sa mga big buildings, especially lalo na dito sa Manila, sobrang daming malls.
If you're going to compare some other countries, makikita mo na sa kanila may mga sidewalk, merong mga talagang place to run. Hindi katulad dito na parang kailangan mo pumunta sa isang lugar para makatakbo.
Yeah.
Sure, there are other places to run, but nothing beats the UP Oval when it comes to accessibility.
A lot of people, di ba, they run here sa UP. So dapat meron din tayong other options na pwede tayong takbuhan. Hindi lang naman dito, lalo na parang dumadami na population natin. So eventually, di ba, parang imagine if lahat tayo dito na tumakbo. Maganda siguro na mag-start din talaga sa taas natin na parang sila yung mag-initiate.
But for those planning to enter their running era, there are a number of places in the metro that you can check out. Here in Quezon City Memorial Circle, at the San Juan City Hall and Shrine, at the PSC Arena located in Pasig, inside the streets of BGC, and at the Circuit Makati. You may also want to join the Rockwell Run Club. And if those places do not fit your schedule, take note that each first weekend of the month, Tomas Morato in QC provides a carless day for runners. So what are you waiting for? Let's run G! Kian Querol, Billionario News Channel.